You've likely explored your zodiac sign, a richer, more specific picture of yourself. Look to the heavens and understand your fate. The alignment of the planets guides your life path. Think of it this way. Your zodiac sign is the landscape you were born into. To find your number, add every digit of your birth date straight across. Keep reducing the sum until you reach a single digit. Taurus 4 is the eternal anchor. Beauty meets discipline to build a legacy that truly outlasts time.
The Scorpio 7 is the silent seer. They dive deep into the dark to bring hidden truths into the light. Your sign is the who. Your number is the how. Together, they are the why, the blueprint of your destiny.
Stop asking, what should I do? When you see both, you are finally seen. Your natural talents finally flow. This is your compass. Use it to choose paths of meaning and growth. You are a blend of ancient energy. Go deeper with my personalized astrology and numerology journal. It's your complete roadmap. Find the link in my description below. Subscribe to find your unique combination. Understand yourself fully. I'll see you when the light shifts again.